Hello, Johnny McRae here, and I got the Royal Box 4 in. All right, super interested to see what's in there. Let's check it out. Starts off with 3 stickers on top, not even in the box. Of course, you know it's got the packing slip. And a little thing, give them your information. I always say information. Give them your thoughts on the discs and how they fly, and maybe they'll make more of them. So if you like them, give them your feedback. Here it goes, coming out the box. Here it is. Man. Okay, there we go. The Glory. First one right in the top. In the bag. So it doesn't scratch up the stamp. Yep. It feels really good in the hand. It's a really good flyer. I've actually tried it already, and I think people are going to like this, so you're going to enjoy it. All right. A Royal Armband. Got a attachment there, you see that? It's not a rubber, I think it's leather. It might be rubber though. It is rubber. There's the inside connection. Different. Here's the piece of paper. Give them your feedback. Oh, nice. Zero Hybrid Moonshine Keystone. Very cool stamp. Very cool lion stamp. This is an Opto Chameleon Core. And it feels nice and stiff. It doesn't feel like regular Opto, although it is. It feels a little stiffer. Opto Chameleon Core. Oh, it's changing colors right there on the camera. A lot of times you can't see the change of colors, but I got some change of color there in that. That's cool. Very cool. Purpley blue to brown even. Very cool. Alright. Here we have definitely a disc that people I know have been looking for. Opto Glimmer Mall. Yeah, you can see the glimmer in there. Lots of times you can't see the glimmer in video either, but there it is. You can see it. Nice. Underside rim. Can you see that? Looks pretty good. And then we have an Opto X disc in here. Somebody I saw on some posts was saying, I wonder if they're going to have any dynamic discs in there. No, this is a Latitude Royal box. So they're all Latitude discs, of course. And this is an Opto X Havoc. Feels really good. That's going to be fun to throw, actually, so that's going to be great. Get out there and try them out. Give them your feedback. Maybe they'll make more of them for you. God bless you. Merry Christmas.